Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious Sri Lankan style KIRIBATH or milk rice. So first let's see the ingredients. Today, I've taken about 2 cups of raw rice, so I've measured 2 cups of raw rice. This rice is usually used to make pongal or even porridge. So this is how it looks. Now let's wash the rice and add it into a large bowl. Now spread the rice in the bowl like this. Let's start adding the water. The level of the water should be up to the first line of our middle finger. So this is how it is usually measured for KIRIBATH. So let's start adding the water. So you can see I can add a little more water. Now the level of the water is perfect. So that's the level of the water we need to keep for KIRIBATH. Let the rice boil. Now let's add sufficient salt. And allow it to cook. Now let's take 1 full coconut which is freshly grated and extract the coconut milk from the coconut. Let's add the coconut into a mixer jar. Let's add water up to the level of the coconut and extract the first milk and repeat the same process for the second milk. So that is the first milk and the second milk. Now take the second milk and add it into the rice which has been boiling. You can see that the water is all absorbed by the rice. Now let's add the second milk. I've added about 3 cups of second milk and stir the rice well. So let the rice cook in the second milk. Close the vessel with the lid so that the rice cooks fast. Now you can see it's nice and thick. At this stage, let's add the first coconut milk which is nice and thick. I have about 3 cups of first milk which is nice and thick. So let's add it into the rice and mix well. Keep the flame in medium so that the rice cooks well. This dish is very nice and creamy and very delicious too. So you can see our KIRIBATH is well cooked. The rice is nice and soft and all the coconut milk has been absorbed by the rice. Now let's spread it in a tray and cut it into cubes. This KIRIBATH is usually served with a nice masi sambal, which is a dry fish sambal. In my next video, I'll show you how to make my masi sambal. That's it, my friends. A delicious Sri Lankan style KIRIBATH is ready. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.